Pizza and Angel's Coffee, the best pizza in the Bronx, located in Jerome Avenue. My father wakes up at 6 in the morning every day, from 6 in the morning to 10 p.m.
My name is Israel. I come over here 1984 to New York City. I work for the great guys, 32 Broadway. I worked for 12 years. When the Twin Towers fell down, I finished work with the owners because they closed the shop. And I opened my little store in the Bronx, 1320 Jerome Avenue. Some kids, they come, they don't have no money for the pizza. We're not gonna say no to the kids. We never say no to the kid, they wanna eat. Some families, they come with the kids, moms. Like we say in Mexico, we say, listen, feed the people hungry, God see you with the eyes.
Pepperoni. We cut with the toppings, cheese, pepperoni, we have chicken.
Ah, yeah.
Esta bonita. Ponle pepperoni, Ale. ¿Ah? No, él viene a ser nomás así. No para pagar. Él viene nomás a hacer Sí. Ahí voy otra vez a hablar. Se quemado. Es caliente, le bájale la.
Has been in the restaurant business since he was 14 years old. He started working in Manhattan. He brought everything he learned to the Bronx. He opened multiple restaurants. He has multiple years of experience.
Pasta, we make burgers, we make food.
Over here in Angel's Coffee, we make all type of food: pastas, burritos, quesadillas, burgers, tacos. We have hot entrees, pizzas, as you can see. Everything fresh. Philly steaks. We also have wraps, sandwiches. Now he's putting the chicken on the pizza.
Not chicken, but the chicken. Look at this. Yeah, we cook so much, so I like it. That's good. Yeah.
Now he puts the other pie inside the oven. Here we have the chicken pie. $4 a slice. Ready to serve. Now the pizzas are ready to serve. Están agarrados.
Hi, how are you? BLT on a roll? Sure. BLT on a roll, please. Tírate la de vegetales. Dale el queso romano, pone queso romano arriba. El queso romano, dale. Creo que se le dio bonitas. En TikTok, en todas las redes. Él no cobra nada. Creo que él anda haciendo como si en promoción para que agarre clientes. Vegetable pizza. Chicken cutlet with one make grilled chicken pizza, fresh mozzarella, tomato sauce, mozzarella, chicken cutlet, and basil. Plaza Café. ¿Ya me haces a montar? ¿Ya me haces a servir? Bueno, acá porque nunca pasé yo.
¿No voy atrás?
Sí. Ponme una bolsa esa, ¿me lo viste una bolsa? ¿La pasta? Sí. ¿Para el señor? Sí, se lo voy.
$100, ¿verdad? Nosotros, en los tenemos tasa de... No ya aportado tasa, no lo va a perder.
¿Hablas conmigo al rato?
Entonces, nosotros vamos a pensar, vamos aquí, dejamos la calle, en la ciudad nos vamos a dejar la calle, hacemos vemos la calle, pero la página no estamos. Mira aquí, mira.
Eduardo, escribo atrás, en la maleta.
You ready, buddy? ¿Una que sea de pollo? Ok. Una que sea de pollo. Ese día tu tarjeta no pasó, ¿eh?
Right now, he's putting the sauce on the pizza. He's gonna put the toppings, cheese, pepperoni. We have chicken.
I can't hear you.
We have chicken, pepperoni, topping on the pizza. Next will be the pepperoni or chicken. You can do chicken and broccoli. Anything you like. Here in Angel's Coffee. Skeleton. Now it's time for the pepperoni. We cut the pepperoni every 3 days, fresh.
We're not cheap with the pepperoni.
The best pizza in the Bronx.
This is what you said.
Yeah.
We're not cheap with the pepperoni.
We're not cheap.